Derek not have no limit in and no manners, nothing about him, nothing about him, and then society accept him and laugh and I wonder them. No. You go to Panama and come back, and you are going to say because she promised you to go to Panama. You went to Panama so you would not need the money no more. Him too disrespectful, or the same way him call Donna, ask Donna for the money. And Derek, no, I'm going to tell her something about Derek, you know. Now me I go tell her this. If I want something, me I go say right, Donna they are foreign and Donna they would have picked them. Derek knows that Donna they are foreign because Derek know about the internet. Derek know everything. So when him call Donna and bother Donna, he knows that Donna they are foreign. He know. So in the first place, him should never call her because the woman they would have picked them. Wait till she got Jamaica because Derek never need no help for. Yeah, you need one little chat, but it wasn't that him need. You need because Maka never gonna make Derek go Panama and not get nothing. When you go Panama, you reach a Panama if you not have no money and people say you're there Panama. When him there Panama upon the live in this still in the act here. But the big question is, where is Derek income off social media? That have never been declared. Every day him come. Him say when he make the money, him buy food. You buy food, what happened to your money? Full time now for Miss D learn and make people stop drag her out here without a reason, because this is uncalled for. You were in the United States with your family, your kids were there. Derek call you, whether you want to give him or not, do not to be continued with him. Don't promise him anything, because once you promise it, it's going to be a debt. And Derek will be a loan shark. Because Derek got Panama, come back at Jamaica. What him going to say she promise him? Somebody promised you something. No, I want you to understand this. This morning I was on Chris live. And I hear Chris say him going to bless a blogger and him going to bless me. Now, what if I do now? Call Chris and say, Chris, can you say my bless me for Christmas? But if I say him did forgive me, so I can call Chris. So it is okay for me call Chris tomorrow and say, Chris, the money you give me for Christmas, and he come give me. I say, Chris, send the money come give me because I want it. No, him promised me something he owes me nothing. Over the years, Derek have been the most help, the one to get the most help on social media. I'm say it already, them people you never have nothing, and then get a lot and it's still not enough. Look how the man are going, and you the hey, you watch the video because I don't want, you know, a cake season, I want something, I don't want to look like me a tear down Miss D. You should have seen the video. The man or because you did promise me something, I'm call your feet. No, I was like, what is this? But there and then again, in order for Donna learn, me have to give her the wrong. You cannot entertain Derek. Derek cannot tame. Anybody can beg, but can beg too. He's always begging in a demanding way. Just like when him say, because you did promise me something from me I got Panama, I'ma call you no feet. And that way he say, you know. While if when Derek did call, Derek no said that none of the Jamaica. Derek, I am not home at this moment. I have no ways of sending your money. What Derek do with fame income off of social media? Why Derek cannot look something to do? Derek is always in town. Derek couldn't buy Derek couldn't buy something. Derek couldn't buy 2 bag juice, 2 juice. Derek can't buy nothing and sell. Derek did a sell t-shirt one day. What happened to the business there? Do something. Buy the bag juice and the people them pass social media will buy them, but whether anything, buy them this t-shirt and they that sell. Cause you sell them, you still have said they were selling. Why you never buy back and sell? You don't want, cause enough of them head them a celebrity. Every time I want the people look apartment and third, me say that's why I sit down and share out little sitting in the night, you know. Me say, bun me just go right up underneath it and comment and say, you rent in my room. Why would you look room for Derek? And you wouldn't did put Derek by your veranda 99. That is why I am yet to believe that woman tell Derek to come out of that house when Derek just pay him rent 1 week, and Derek not turn on live and tell the woman how she so good like dog. Can't see him word that. I am yet to hear the woman come first. 1 week, new fridge, new stove, new everything. And 1 week Derek come out and they say Derek in the park. So woman tell him that she don't want him there and him just pack one lick up. Him never say take up him clothes them. The clothes them a social media buy. Him just pack one lick up bag and leave. Derek. How many say but wait, that story and sound like Derek? We all understand so Jamaica hard, and we all understand so worse when you are a brand from the LBGT, you go through it. We all understand that. But Derek has an income on social media, and Derek is capable of looking work. Now, if Derek doesn't have any behavior, and this is something when I talk about my client, them at work, and I just tell them, just like student, I tell them, I say, look here, if you don't have no behavior, and because of that, it end up, that's not my problem. Donna wrong. Donna need to stop put herself. Donna should not put herself in this situation. And Donna says she will understand. She will You notice Donna, I have never done a live where Donna have to call me, because guess what? I am from the right, and if I find you Donna is wrong, because after what Derek have done to her, not the first, I think it's the second time. Now, one time somebody had said him get help and he come out, get no help from a flank and a spin roll. Yeah, that was, but with the food and the t-shirt, and I said the same way he went in her phone, Derek cannot be tame and she need to learn now. That's the question we am asking, and this person is like, I'm not bringing her down, I'm telling her the truth. When Derek called her, whether she wanna give him or not, give him and make him go on. Tell him you not have it and make him go on. Once you promise him, it's a to be continued. I you see where the to be continued end up in you see where the to be, and I'm telling you, he's not finishing. Bet you tomorrow him coming again. Because in a him mind, Donna send it over pink wall when it's not. When it's not, and I'm gonna say this, I don't know who is the one all here that is a woman named Pinky. I don't know. They say that is somebody we have good work, but sometimes as a blogger, I'm not telling you what to do. You know, make too much. Here we go again. A blogger making problem and mischief, because you and Derek does not talk. Donna selling clothes over there, so you could have get Donna. Why would you do that? You know how you feel tonight for know that Derek have it in my heart, and Derek, it's all because to say all a hook the Pinky too. Everywhere you go, you hear about pink wall, pink wall, pink wall, pink wall. Any day them find you and give you a rass lick, you will know. I said it at first and I'm going to say it. She will not deserve the disrespect and the attack that that's going to come at her. Because you know it's going to come. You know so she going to get attacked. You know so because you see she start get it already. She don't deserve it. But she called it up on herself by entertaining Derek. It's like you wear glasses and you leave your house and you know wear your glasses and you go down the road and want bicycle lick you broke your ass. You call it on yourself because you know you can't see good at night and you should have on your glasses when you left your house. Even though you forget your glasses. But the facts remain, you know you never have on none. So it's your fault. I am not gonna say everybody to them own opinion. I would more to think that she wants to feel like she can save the world, and she have that feeling that she can save the world. Because when Derek called her the first time, she was in the States. It was when he was going to Panama. So maybe when Derek called her, she busy, and she not set up her things. And we go. I have kids. Me know my pitney them. And maybe she no want, go send no money, no want go do no transaction because she not done set up certain thing. Remember she just tell him, she just tell him that say when him come back. But remember she just got Jamaica to a baking season and so, but in at the time Donna should have known say Derek cannot wait. Derek not take it as a after people are helping. Derek can make it look like it's an obligation. People obligate to mind him. Because you know them a go bash her. She not go deserve it. But she will learn. She will learn. And when Derek, you have to Derek. When you see Derek, people like Derek, just bear in mind, say fragile, handle with care. The same way she afraid to talk to people, that's when you see Derek to avoid him. Avoid him. Even though him a coming at your way, just like when you drive and somebody a come down by you and you defend yourself, you take with yourself and make them go on. Cause Derek have no respect. Nobody, me say, me a wait patiently for Maca time. Me a wait patiently because the other year somebody said they didn't call Maca Diamond and beg Maca Diamond something and Maca Diamond no give him and he see Maca Diamond and somebody else around and them time they go here. Cause Derek, here, listen. When he was going to Panama, listen, why you understand this? Him call her and beg and him never need it. Him never need it. Cause you go somewhere. First of all, they're afraid. You never need it, right? You never need it. But you ask for it. You go. You come back from Panama. So when Donna said him not come back from Panama, in my thinking, you wouldn't expect say need it again. Of course I agree with you. Once bitten, twice shy, and it don't look good for your brand. It don't look good for your brand for Derek a Costa and a drag her and a talk things and a go on. Derek gone and the woman religion and she said she a quit. That it doesn't look good because the same way Derek beg her, ask her on the phone, when Derek hear or see the video, Derek could have called her and said, Miss D, me and Pinky have it over there and make Donna come out and do a live and tell Pinkwall to take it down and strike Pinkwall. But no, him want. He could at the same way him reach out to her to beg her the money. Why could he reach out to her when him see the video? And this is why I said this man's trouble is in middle name. Why Donna always a collided with him? Why? Derek have look on Rosalie. Rosalie and Derek was going at it. I guess when Rosalie say, you know what, Rosalie carry Derek pan her life the morning and ask so much gift or something. When they wrote Derek, carry him, you know, carry him. I said, Derek, you know what, a full time now. Huh? When Derek see Rosalie, I go pa and stay, Derek come out and he start pa Rosalie from that day until today. One hip that time him do you remember that? He said, Miss Donna, you know, so me have it, but me nah put it out, cause cake season one, you know, look good. Me nah tear down Miss D, me nah tear her down, me a school her, me nah tear her down. Yeah, because she tell him that she gonna bless him for Christmas. Pink Wall take out the cut out the content, cause Derek and Pink Wall is going at it, you know, him and Pinky. So Pinky, he see how people send it or whatsoever, and say people send it in talk. Some things for our life, I want piece of clippings over there. Yeah, can see a Donna send it up. First in tell her life and poor Donna. See a Donna send it up Pink Wall. Derek now wait on him, don't bless him for Christmas. Derek want the money for go eat fried rice and pork. Donna promise him the money and he said, Donna, let me tell you something. Derek sit down, Donna promise him the money. Derek sit Donna down there and sell clothes, Donna sell merch. So Derek want fee cut. Derek want fee money because he say the social media is to mine Derek, but I don't blame Derek in that. I blame social media because the other day, I say it already, I'm gonna say it again. Derek was on live saying tired and do how much video I call on Andrew Wellness, I call out Ramesh, I call out everybody. Derek get one apartment, Derek get one new fridge, Derek get everything new in 1 week time. Remember Derek, we are talking about, you know, we love Tama and live, you know. Me see Derek in the park, say woman telling say he can't stand no more, and he just take up, in the say take up people and clothes them, he take up 2 pieces of clothes and leave. So when he close them there, and then again tomorrow, and now Derek a look room, tomorrow you hear one somebody come out and say them have room carrying Derek, money collect over there, Bradback bling a collect money over there, whosoever, and then again at the same thing you hear say fridge or stuff, so somebody just say sell them. Me never didn't know say sell them if I true, cause me know say Derek come out of the house and me was like, me no hear nobody asking nothing, me no hear nobody ask about the furniture them. Fried rice, a piece of fried rice and pork he want go eat. So him just decide for call Donna, kind say Donna down there with her merge, and before Donna, when he call Donna the day, Donna should have either bless him or send him on. Tell him so she don't have any money now, she have things to pay, she not no money now. Cause Donna not obligated, nobody not obligated when they have the money. You don't have it, you don't have it. You can't have money and somebody beg you, you don't have money for them, but you have money for yourself and for do your business. Yeah, you have money for yourself, so you didn't. She wasn't obligated because again, Josh is responsible for Derek live all these years. Derek can get more help on the internet quicker than Donna. Cause Derek over TikTok, Derek the par Instagram, Derek the par YouTube. Everybody know Derek and people will help Derek. Derek have gotten a lot of help, but Derek don't have no behavior. You have one lady, that lady that did help one young entertainer, one lady who live in Canada. When that the woman there help Jamaica and no nothing that for lion time that the woman there help until now. I think the woman tired feel and that the woman there help Derek. How much money you never hear Derek what do you? Me know that are not 1,000 Jamaican. You never hear Derek Power Live as a woman send him $1,000 from America. And when Derek could I say 1,000 Jamaican and Derek say a little $1,000 in go little $1,000 in go collect little 1,000. Me say backside Man say a little thousand go collect. Oh. When me hear all in something, me say, hold on there. Little thousand. Woman send him from foreign. Knowing Derek, he would have say 1,000 Jamaican and the go on. All because they say the woman send him the little 1,000 bling. I see the woman send him the little 1,000 bling a bad mind him. Now my mind me say 1,000 US in get and him a call it little. And then you see it fried rice and pork. Derek eat bigger than have the people. You know the funny thing about it? How Derek eat bigger than the people them where send Derek the money. And that are the funny, because I not call it sad, you know, it's funny. He eat healthier and bigger. You know, so the day with Donna, I'm gonna make sure mix the food. Derek plate and Derek food ever big, and Derek don't want to work to feed himself. If Derek did not work and not buying food because Derek love food, you could understand. Derek the same way Derek they at town every day. If Derek they buy 2 soap and sit down and make we see on social media that time can't sell. But you're not trying to do nothing because you're not doing anything and you don't want to work. Every time you forget, you know when me know Derek now have no ambition. Batman in a jail tonight. When Batman did a try for help Derek through the border. Yeah, where Derek say, cause I say he not go through no border because he not go foreign go suffer. Derek rather stay at Jamaica suffer because he get something because Derek knows so when in there foreign, it's a what time is it situation because they so no foreign you can't tell lie. And we can't tell like all when time it not so harsh. You can't tell lie and say the harsh not like Chris then time and so but no it not so harsh. The LBGT will always be discriminated. But Jamaica not stay like first time when time them used to all take tie and bun people and no me not say them. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna tell you this. You see, when somebody make trouble you and make a nickname, you see, once you laugh to it, them don't even look by you. You see, once you make a problem out it, everybody come down by you like a beast. Everybody do not. You know why people continue? Me not say nobody want trouble, me no. People trouble Derek because whenever time anybody say anything to Derek and Derek is very lie. Cause look how Derek come out and say Rosalie send man come and him and say Rosalie. Derek is very lie. Come make it fake. And all the t-shirt money alone. You know the man say one woman send one little $1,000. You look like that $1,000 I miss bling a grudge. I saw me real like I never me say. Cause you know you go wonder. You go wonder. He say one woman send one little $1,000. And Miss Blinger grudge me say, but Miss Blinger coulda never come. That's a Miss Blinger the money. Come listen, the man see a little $1,000. And I eat Miss Blinger grudge him for where woman send from foreign come give. Derek, but I don't have a problem with anybody like to eat healthy. Cause people must know I mean I have a problem with any. It's just like let me tell you something. I don't have a problem with mean people. I have a problem with people who do not like to share and like to take people things. If you don't like to share, it's okay. But when you say you don't like share, you like to take people things, then we have a problem with you. We will call you out. I don't have a problem with Derek want to eat big food. My problem is how him want to eat big food and him don't want to work to provide him big food. And I said a lot of these people we are saying, and I said it's very funny because I'm not gonna say it's sad. Oh, them they are foreign and can't eat big like Derek. And them are send them money go down, they go give him. Full time now, charities, Derek should have get enough help and go. I don't know more time Derek get. Oh, one night time when the star Derek get money. What would Derek get so much and Derek don't want? Derek come, I sent me Derek come from it. Derek do one bill one house, Derek could have go up there. Derek want apartment in a big area. Then if Derek cannot, and this is a question, you know, with everybody over there. I'm will forever say broadback blinger. Them support too much fuckery on this media, yeah. Everybody, and at this time I go back to Miss D. Who I go pay Derek rent? Then if Derek, who is gonna rent somebody a house where you don't know where your rent a come from? Suppose when he go on TikTok, that's a terrible risk. Suppose when he go on TikTok, him not beg enough money. Derek could have buy 2 soap. Derek do not want to do nothing but people mind him on the media. And you can sit down there and wait, because when he come for Maka, you will hear. Because any day name there, Maka Diamond tap give Derek and Derek see Maka Diamond with somebody, and then time you go hear. You see how Ramesh helped Derek the other day, and because you see Ramesh send go get Jaden and Jerry, you see him come out concourse. Derek don't want nobody get anything on the app but him. And this is why I want Donna to steer some people at destruction. Stay away from him. Stay away. Him call you, either you give him and make him go, or you don't have it to give him. Then now him have to go cuss you. No, and then everybody know we see and know. Then me do not entertain Derek. Because right away he feel like say, first of all, Derek should never take up that phone and call back that lady, because him go to Panama and him come back and the money wants to go to Panama. And him go tell her, say the money what she did promise him. So right away the promise become a debt. It becomes a debit with Derek. Him not have no patience for go in a people pocket. Yes, you see him like how when he get up a morning time, him not have no patience for eat. At 10 o'clock a morning time, him have the big food. He not have no patience for eat the lunch and the dinner. I see him we in no patience for going in a people pocket. And him do not care. And people like them, they have to take away yourself, because all him is going to do, him not done, you know. Tomorrow, all him is going to do is try to bring down people. The same Miss Broadback Blinger there used to help Derek, have Derek pan our life and help Derek daily. And when he cuss Blinger, picnic them, he never left no stone. And Derek mash up Blinger. Kai say, I have to bring down Blinger you got. You remember when it's about Pink Wall? Pinky, you have to go down today. Well, make Donna continue with him. And then when he come out here, I say, Miss Donna, Donna, you go down today. Then you me don't know how you got challenge him. Then me don't know how you got challenge him. So if you really love Donna, try ask when time Donna tell Donna to come out of Derek. Try tell Donna to avoid Derek. That's all when me out here they cry for she avoid him. Cause Derek have nothing to lose. Derek will be Derek. But that does not say you have to mix up with him or you have to entertain him or you have to support him bad habit. You give unless of them birthday or you want to buy them a drink. But all like Derek does not need money. You have school kids where go to school and need it for them lunch money. Derek don't need money. Derek could have never have one. That's what I said, I'm not sure about the Facebook because Facebook not monetize at Jamaica. But maybe Derek have somebody will manage him page. Derek make money off of YouTube that him can collect. You never hear Derek talk much in collect off of the internet yet. Derek the on TikTok. Derek the on TikTok, so Derek can make money. Where Derek money go, nobody never question Derek money. Hey. You see all uno, you see all you? I want to thump you on your back. When it was said that the woman draw the money when the whole commotion about Derek money, how much money again? Let me ask you, how much money them did draw out for Derek out in TikTok with Derek, where somebody else did draw it out when they think of the woman? How much money you draw for Derek account down there? I find TikTok money. Who remember? Who not forget how much thousand they drop when me hear that me say blood clot. And this man I come on live and I beg. Derek is a professional beggar. Who remember no couple thousand well when me think of Jamaican money and when me go look and see no couple thousand well in a US. But who remember? Who remember when Derek, the money did miss with Derek and him admin? How much money did come out? How much thousand that may have to know, not US? How much? You remember how much US? So that the money, this are the thing I want to ask. That the money they finish already? That the money they finish already? A couple thousand well. Derek have on him account and still a beg. When me hear about the money where they scam Derek, and out of Derek mouth come, and the girl can me the think a lie, I tell you no, cause to me no lie. And when me hear it from the girl, me say about Papa Jesus and Derek they are beg people then 10-10 and 20-20 and 50-50. And me say no wonder why him can call it 1,000 US little 1,000 US. Derek does not need money. So why entertain him in his bullshit? Why? Derek, let me say what hurt me, you know. A Derek called Donna and beg Donna the money. Ask Donna for the money. And him call Donna and remind her and ready for collect the money when him wouldn't need the money again, because the money was to go to Panama with a little spending money. Same way when the video come out, why you didn't call Donna and said, Donna, the video reach over Pink Wall, me and Pinky not talk, how the video reach over Pink Wall. Donna would have take her life and call out Pinky about it. But no, Derek ready, because as scan to Derek, everybody got to go down. We have seen it. Rosalie have to go down, Bling have to go down, everybody. Pinky, they said Pinky there. I don't know why Pinky to don't leave Derek alone. The same kind Pinky, you know, said Derek I go for Miss D. You in the dark, nobody don't know you, but him a go cuss Donna. You know people him a go drag Donna over TikTok. You should never put up that video. You should, if you even want to get back at him, you should never put up that video. Then if him have it in the bank, spending money off him own. A couple thousand US, well, you know, more than 10,000 US we are talking about, you know. Because when me hear about the money, me think of Jamaica, and when him say US, everybody that run with it and I see a lie, then I rob Derek, everybody that run with it and I see a lie, and then the girl come out, I see and she draw off the money. And you see when Derek get back the money, all them something I'm look for. You see when Derek get the money, nobody never know. And when the girl talk, because they start to attack the girl. And when the girl come out and say, Derek get back the money, Derek come out when the money Miss Lang cuss about it. And when he get back the money, he get back every cent. Derek forget about it. Him forget about it. Everybody, you're not getting enough dragging already. You're not getting enough dragging and tell life and already. Why you need Derek? You don't need no more. Enough serpent upon you. You don't need one more. Still one in the pan as baggage as morning time, still one in the down the fair breakfast. If you put ice in into your mouth, it up gas, I'm still one wanted to. So what more baggage you look? What more baggage you looking than it? Donna, you have Silone right over there already. As early morning Silone come down and everything where you eat, Silone eat it. And everything where you drink, I down there, Silone. The only thing left for Silone do a beer and shit down there. That I think that shit down there. As early morning Silone reach down there. And if you buy, you have to buy your breakfast. Then no baggage that. And you look for go take up another baggage. You have one already. And you can't satisfy. You have Silone there ready to deal with, and you look for take up Derek. Then when you're done, the person say you're frustrated. You don't get frustrated because you like it. Because this is not a circumstances beyond your control situation. The circumstances beyond your control situation is when Pinky go. Is when Pinky. And the funny thing, when decent people, other people are called Donna, then can't get Donna. But look who can call you, although the phone was given to you. Them not take other people call, but then take for Derek call.